Have you ever wondered how the transition between laminar, transitional, and turbulence flow is identified? Let us know. Here we work on the experiment entitled as the study of frictional loss in pipes using Reynolds. The main objective of this experiment is to demonstrate the transition between laminar flow, transitional flow, and turbulence flow, to measure the critical Reynolds number at which this transition occurs and also to visualize the flow pattern in a fluid system using dye. Greetings to you all, myself Jasuthar.
And myself, Sudhanshu Thakur. First, we set up the flow visualization tank and connect it to the water supply. Then we position the dye injection needle at the entrance of the glass tube. Then we install the fluid control valves at the outlet of the tank. Now we connect the flow meter, thermometer and pressure gauge as required. Now the further information will be given by my friend Jay.
To measure the Reynolds number, we use the formula rho Vt by mu. After putting all the values, if the Reynolds number is below the 2000, then it is laminar flow. If the Reynolds number is between 2000 and 4000, then it is transitional flow. And if the Reynolds number is above the 4000, then it is turbulent flow.
Now future scope. The Reynold experiment project focusing on fluid dynamics and the study of turbulence and flow regimes had a promising future scope in various fields. There are some areas where such project can be particularly impactful. First in automotive industry, second in HVAC system.
The experiment highlights the importance of accurate measurement and control in fluid dynamics research and offers insights into improving experimental techniques.